Hi everybody, welcome back to my ET 1 Minute English with Mr. Khan, where English is easy. Alright, our word for today is knees. Knees. N-I-E-C-E. Knees. N-I-E-C-E. Knees. Knees means anak saudara perempuan. Knees. Can you say the word knees for me? Very good. Now, can you spell the word knees for me? Wow, good. N-I-E-C-E, knees. Okay, the word knees can be used in a sentence, for example, like this. My sister has a daughter named Alia Fatiha. She is my niece. My sister has a daughter named Alia Fatiha. She is my niece. Niece is the word for today. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye and stay cool and take care. This awesome program is brought to you by The Blue Room.